I have a question for you. Are you taken? No? Thought so. देखते कि ये सीट टेकन है कि नहीं. Welcome to Is This Seat Taken? So this is a puzzle game जिसमें हम लोगों को देखना है कि is this seat taken or not. Without any further ado, let's just jump in. What is this? Barcelona. हम लोग मैप पे है. I guess. Click on that. Candy Crush. Hi there. Would you kindly place me in the vehicle? James, adult. You know what? There are no other passengers waiting. Could you press the confirm button? That's it. Easy. Oh, hey, could you let me sit by the window? Of course, there's 2 seats and 2 window seats. Oh yeah, you're right. Stupid. Yeah, you can sit by the window. I want to be alone. Wait, is this... What's his name? Wait, Aurora. I want to be alone. Okay, then... इसके लिए यहाँ पे better होगा. Because he wants to be alone, right? और तेरे लिए यहाँ पे better होगा. I'm just kidding. What happens if I put him over here? Okay, okay. उनके मुंह पे sadness दिख के आती है कि भाई I want to be alone. Leave me alone, alright? That's so me core. Thumbs up. So basically this is it. Oh god. Okay, I thought कि वो लोग को अभी मांडी वांडी पे बिठाना पड़ेगा भाई एक के ऊपर एक. इतने सारे लोग आ गए. Okay, anyways. Alexis, this rides on me. Go ahead, you're the famous writer. Okay, Matt. Alexis, come on, it's just a little indie movie. Movie देखने जा रहे हैं 3 लोग. Okay, cool, cool. I'd give anything to be in a little indie movie. I wish you had auditioned for it. I know. Okay, ये लोग पहले से दुखी आत्मा है तो I just okay. इन पे hover करने के बाद उन लोगों के preferences दिखते हैं हम लोगों को. I want to be by the window. Okay, you can be here. I want to be by the window. Okay, you can be here. I want to be with Alexis. तीनों खुश, 3 भाई तीनों तबाही. Let's freaking go. We're killing it so far. Wow, तो ये it's a level wise जाना है हम लोगों को. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Let's try the next level. You know, I really like puzzle games. मैंने कभी puzzle games ज़्यादा खेले नहीं है. And ये game मैंने Instagram पे देखा था and I was like, I want to try it out. It looks cool. Okay, ये भाई को अकेले रहना है. You can stay there. I want to be by the window. I want to sit in the direction of the vehicle. Okay, so you should be over here. Where are you? I want to be with Olivia. Olivia. I want to be with Corin. I want to be by the window. Okay. So ये spot तेरे लिए better है, right? You both are happy. Okay, cool. I want to be by the window. I want to be alone. Okay, so we can... Is this the window? Yeah. हम तुझको इधर रख सकते हैं और तुझे यहाँ रख सकते हैं. So you all can be... ये समोसा लग रहा है by the way. Anyway. So अब सब लोग खुश है. Okay, confirm that sheet. Tu placa de Quatulia. Thanks. What the fuck? What do you mean? They sent a taxi. Oops. We just thought it was one It was a really fancy one. Okay, ये limousine है. Ooh. Hey, caramba. You're not the group I was supposed to pick up. Oh shit. साले के scam हो रहा था इसके साथ. Bro, what the hell? Well, since you're already here, I'll take you. But don't say anything to my boss. Good guy. Good guy. I like your energy. That's a dub by the taxi driver. I mean, limousine driver. My bad. Bro, तेरे को उठा सकता हूँ मैं? Nope. I forgot to shower. What the fuck? अभी इसके साथ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? Okay, ये लोगों को दूर रखना पड़ेगा मेरे को ये लोगों से I guess. Let's try. Okay, say. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. I want to be alone. तू यहाँ पे रहे. I do not like bad smells and I want to be by the window. Okay, so you stay here and I'll put you here. It's not a good view. The sheet. Stinky. Lumpao. Okay, stinky boys, you're gonna be next to each other because why not? I do not like bad smells. I want to be with Oshis and I want to be... Who is Oshis? How the hell ओके, यहाँ पे रख सकते। ओ वेयर आर यू? डैम, ऑन अ गुड व्यू। व्हाट द हेल? ओके तो ओके, वेट 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 वेट। अबे यार अभी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग हो रहा है। वेट, आई डू नॉट लाइक बैड स्मेल्स। ओके, हाउ अबाउट नाउ? स्टिंकी, डैम ब्रो, इसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है राइट? हाउ अबाउट आई पुट यू ओवर हियर? तू खुश है ना भाई? ओके, सब लोग खुश है, एवरीबॉडी इज हैप्पी। ओके, आई कैन सी ऑलरेडी कि ये बहुत जाके आगे जाके बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होने वाला है, सो गुड लक मी आई गेस। Thanks for coming with me to the film festival, Nat. Who am I to turn down a limo ride? I do feel a little out of place though. You're an actor. You belong here too. I'm just an aspiring actor. Bro, क्या डिप्रेस लोग है भाई? Aspiring है तो होगी नहीं क्या कभी? Damn bro. Be positive, you know. Be positive out there. You know I could introduce you to the director. भाई ऐसा दोस्त चाहिए क्या? अभी तो खुश हो? Who would want a cast weird shape like me? भाई what the hell? तो करण, तू मुझे काजू कतली की तरह दिखने वाले को किसी को काजू कतली नहीं पसंद है भाई। I would love some. I wanna be with Alexis. Alexis, I wanna sit by the window. Okay, you bro, you sit here. You sit here. I wanna be with Aria. Aria, Nat, Corey, Kari. I wanna be with Aria. Who is Aria? Okay, वो बताता है कि this is Aria. Okay. आ रही है भाई, आ रही है तुम्हारी अरिया फरिया आ रही है। Do not feel. Okay, you sit here. I wanna be alone. You sit here. You sit here. Everybody happy? Let's confirm. Yeah, so far it's chill. You know, I like chill vibes in game. मैं कभी ऐसे टाइप के गेम्स खेलता नहीं हूँ, सो इट्स गुड टू एक्सपेरिमेंट। वी आर आउट एट दैट लेवल कि थोड़ी चीज़ें एक्सपेरिमेंट करने चाहिए लाइफ के साथ। लाइक यू हैव टू नो व्हाट यू डोंट लाइक एंड यू लाइक। व्हाट द फक डिड आई जस्ट से? आई डोंट नो हनी, आई डोंट थिंक दिस मूवी इज अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर किड्स। ओह या, हाउसमेट्स देखने आ गए ये लोग। प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज, ना 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 ना। मम्मी को पता है फिर भी मम्मी लेके आ गई। मम्मी खुश है और भाई मूवी देखने के लिए बूट शूट्स पहन के रखे। देखो ना यार कैरेक्टर। ओह, मेरे कर्सर की तरफ। दीज गाइज आर लुकिंग एट माय कर्सर, दैट्स सो कूल। प्लीज 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 प्लीज। ओके, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टू स्लीप इन आवर बेड टुनाइट। व्हाट? व्हाई? That's never happened before. Remember what happened when we saw the hexagon? No idea. Whatever. That was just one time. What's going on? I want to be with my parent. Eat popcorn. I want to be in the second row. Okay. So you be in the second row. I guess ये लोगों को यहाँ put करना चाहिए because okay, you know what, let's keep them here. Okay, cool. Okay, ये सेक्शन पहले क्लियर कर लेते हैं। What is that? Oh, what the hell? Boing, interact with an object. Oh, that's so cool. ये एनिमेशंस कितने कूल है। यहाँ पे क्लिक क्यों नहीं कर सकता मैं? उंगली गच 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 हो रही है तो why cannot click there? What happens अगर मैं क्लिक 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 करके जाऊँ? Nope, nothing happens. I eat popcorn. I do not want to be next to a kid. I agree. You get the corner seat, buddy. You chill there, okay? I want to be with Anta. I want to be with Anta. I want to be in the row third. Great. He's a child. अरे बैठ तो सही. I want to be with my parent Roshan. Wow, an Indian name. I don't know, do they use Indian names out there or that name out there? Okay, parent is coming, brother. It's all blurry. Okay, then you sit here. and you sit here. I want to steal popcorn. What the fuck? No, you're not going to do that. साला इसको चोरी करने के लिए encourage करूँ मैं? Is that what you want? I want to be with my parent Roshan. Oh, you son of a gun. Ah, I need a snack. अभी इसको यहाँ अरेंज किया तो ये साला डर जाएगा. You know. Confirm कर सकते हैं. We can confirm. They have given us the option to confirm, but there is a huge chance that it could be a dislike. We don't like dislikes. Okay. So what we can do. इसको इनके बीच में रखना पड़ेगा. You know what we're gonna do? ये लोगों को यहाँ पे रख देते हैं और इसको यहाँ पे रख देते हैं. ठीक है. So everybody is happy now. Okay. ज़्यादा दिमाग लगा लिया था मैंने स्टार्टिंग में. मूवी चालू कर दो. ठीक है. Enjoy your movie. Confirm. यार मूवी देखने के लिए धुरंधर 2 देखा था लास्ट. दैट्स ऑल. आई डोंट थिंक मैं ज़्यादा मूवीज देखता हूँ. मूवीज देखने चाहिए यार. आई थिंक मूवीज आर गुड इन थिएटर. ये पॉपकॉर्न भेंडी किस लोगों ने. ओह दैट इज सो कूल. जहां पे वो लोगों को मैंने रखा था वहीं पे पॉपकॉर्न गिरे. इफ यू गाइस हैव नोटिस्ड दैट इज सो कूल. Very little detail that you notice, you know, ये छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स है that we notice. I do not like bad smells. क्योंकि स्मेली कौन है यहाँ पे. ए भाई घर पे जाके ना क्या. जा घर पे जाके ना क्या. I don't know. मेरा काम ऑलरेडी खराब कठिन है, उसको और कठिन करा रहे हो. I wanna be in the first row. Okay, you sit here. Okay, he doesn't bother. Okay, यहाँ पे भी रख सकते हैं हम लोग. I thought कि वो लोग को bother होगा. ये bother नहीं कर रहा है तुझे. मैंने बोचे के अंदर पॉपकॉर्न घुस रहा है. I want to be with Gary. I do not want to sit in a dirty seat. Oh, of course. तो Gary को इधर रख दो और तू इधर आ जा. I'm not compromising. We are using our brains. Okay. I eat popcorn. Okay. I want to be in a second row. Okay. So you sit here. I want to be next to my parent. Okay. So be here. What? Okay. साले को इधर से इधर का स्मेल आ रहा है. नाक है कि क्या है भाई तेरी. I want to be alone. Sit here then. I want to be with Nat. I do not like bad smells. Okay, so first you go here. आ रही है तेरी Nat. So dirty. Okay. Okay, so इसको personal space नहीं है. Okay. So you go there. Now I eat popcorn. I like that. I eat popcorn. Nothing else, nothing more. Like that, straightforward. बैठ जा वहाँ पे. I do not like bad smells. I want to steal popcorn. Okay, so you can sit here. I do not want to be next to a kid. So you sit here. Everybody happy. Enjoy the movie and get some shoes out. Are those shoes? Shoes की तरह लग रहे हैं वो. कितना satisfying लग रहा है वो by the way. Click 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 click. Click 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 movie chalu ban. Okay, enjoy your show. Hey, that actor on the screen looks just like me. Sure Nat, sure. They're here at the festival. Wanna say hi? Maybe later. Come on Nat, you know you want to. It's what you always wanted. I don't know. I'm not sure I'm ready yet. It's too much pressure. What? उसको मिलने के लिए what is the pressure? और तेरे को मिलने वाले तू है कौन भाई? Are you some sort of actor? So ये तुम लोगों का ऐसे interaction होगा कि it is going to be awkward or something? Bro, come on. All right. I won't push you. We can go get something to eat instead. Popcorn है उसके हाथ में. What else do you wanna eat? Okay, we need to follow this storyline by the way. I think यहाँ पे कुछ story होगी ये लोगों की आगे जाके. You know what I mean? Oh. I'm so glad that you like Hat Wars 2. I love the series, but I can't stand the fans. Then why are you here? Watch it alone, man. They all wear stupid cowboy hats. Okay, एक दिख गया. Cowboy hat वाला. That blocked the screen. Oh, I thought they were collectible popcorn buckets. They are. But they're hat shaped. What do you think everyone does with them? True. Oof. Okay, I'm wearing my big hat. I cannot see well from far away. Okay. साले second row में जाते ही तेरे को blurry लग रहा है. I want to steal popcorn. Okay, you gonna be with Olivia. Dirty seat पे नहीं बैठना है इसको. Okay, so you sit here. You sit here. I want to be in the second row and I want to eat popcorn. Okay, so you stay there. I want to steal popcorn. So you stay there. Okay, I'm wearing my big hat. Okay, you stay there. I want to be near the center of the room. Blocks my view. तो क्यों पहनता है साले hat? Oh. Come on, bro. Not the best spot. Are you serious? ये second. Okay. साले सब लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है यहाँ पे. Okay, you sit there. Okay, now I forgot to shower. I do not want to sit in a dirty. I do not want to sit in a dirty seat. Okay. Stinky. Oh God. Okay, यहाँ पे किसी को stinky नहीं लग रहा है. Good. I eat popcorn. Okay, so you eat here in peace. I don't want to sit in a dirty seat. I want to sit with. Okay. Son of a gun. You sit here, sir. It's all blurry. So dirty, bro. You dare to say that? साले तो नहा के नहीं आया है, and you are complaining about some popcorn under your butt. Come on, brother. ये साले को blurry दिखता है इधर. Oh, okay. दो hat वालों को साथ में रख दिया मैंने. क्या दिमाग लगाया मैंने? I like that. गलती से. Oh wait, what happened? Okay. इसको साले को dirty नहीं पसंद ना. Everybody is happy. Look at them all happy. Mandatory trash can spam. Okay, movie theater part is donezo. Next level. Huh. Okay, so what is this? Okay, this is a bus. यहाँ पे standing भी रख सकते हैं क्या हम लोग इनको? Where is my parent? Who's your parent? I wanna sit. Of course you do. Okay, I want to sit. Okay, you sit here then. Want to be next to another kid. Bro, ये क्या चोचले है यार? Are you serious? Okay, I want a good view. अब तो यहाँ पे भी हैप्पी हो सकता है ब्रदर, you know? इसको बैठना है, right? Okay, so you just want to sit, so we can place you there. I do not like bad smells. There are no bad smells. I play loud music. Are you going to stay here? The question is कि ये लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे अभी ये फिक्स रहने वाला है कि नहीं. अगर ये फिक्स रहने वाला है तो I would prefer you being over here somewhere or here, right? और window seat उसको नहीं चाहिए तो we will keep her here. Confirm. Okay, ये stop है. The bus stop है. So there are like people are coming out. I wanna sit next to another kid. Okay, so this is cool. हर एक stop पे एक कम ज़्यादा हो रहा है. I play loud music. This is a kid. ये अकेला kid है जो इसके साथ खेल सकता है. So we don't have an option. Okay, I cannot stand loud music. यहाँ पे can you? Okay, good. I want to talk to someone and I want to be by the window. So you can be here. Nobody listens to me. Wait, man, wait. I want to talk to someone. I forgot to shower. Okay, cool. So far, so good. Okay. I play loud music and I want to be alone. So, sir, you can be over. Okay. अभी समझ रहा है मुझे कि ये जहाँ पे हम लोग हवर कर रहे हैं तो उसके कितने ये म्यूजिक लाउड प्ले करता है, राइट? सो इसके अराउंड अगर कोई जिसको पसंद नहीं है तो उनको हम लोग ये ब्लू सीट्स पे नहीं रख सकते, आई गेस, राइट? आई फॉरगॉट टू शावर, आई वांट टू स्टैंड. पर्सनल स्पेस फकिंग क्रेजी ब्रो. इसको अगर स्टैंड रहना है तो इसको यहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा, राइट? और मे बी वी कैन पुट यू ओवर हियर so that you musicians can stay together. Okay, let's see अब अगले stop पे उतरता कौन है, चढ़ता कौन है. Hey, will you wake me up when we get to school? No fair. You always sleep on the bus when it's gonna be my turn. घर पे जाके सो भाई, क्या ये सोने की जगह है? But you sleep during class. That's the problem. I don't want to get scolded again. Okay, so तुम लोग झगड़ा करो. ये talkative है, so we'll put you here. So loud. Okay, what you guys can do? You guys can sit at the back. I cannot stand loud music. Okay, इसको ये नहीं होगा. Okay. I don't like someone that smells and I want to be with. I forgot to shower. Oh shit. Okay. I understand what we can do. इसको यहाँ पे रख दो. और smelly people that don't shower will stay together. I wanna sleep. I wanna be by the window. Okay, brother, you can be here. I wanna sleep. I want an aisle sleep. Why not? क्योंकि ये लोग बात कर रहे. That's why. Oh, सब लोग खुश. ये तो इसको तो aisle seat चाहिए थी. So this is the aisle seat. Okay, gotcha. इसको खड़ा कर दो क्या? लमाओ. Wake a sleeping person. That's you know, after your job, this is what you need. एक stupid puzzle game जिसमें तुम लोगों को मैनेज करना है. Okay, what is going on in here? I want to be with Marcia. I play loud music. Brother, stay here. Okay, I want to sleep. I do not like bad smell. I can't sleep क्योंकि ये लोग बात कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे. What about here? यहाँ पे stinky है. Okay, ये जो आवाज करने वाले हैं, we can put them over here. So loud. Are you guys serious? Okay, ये दोनों खुश. अब ये दोनों को बात करनी है and these guys don't like either loud music or bad smells. Okay, so what we can do is do this. Stinky. Who is Stinky? Okay, so just put one here, put one here. Too loud. Okay, so you go here, you go here. Stinky, come on man. Okay, इसको क्या चाहिए? इसको बैड स्मेल करने वाला नहीं चाहिए. और इसको क्या चाहिए? इसको लाउड म्यूजिक नहीं पसंद, राइट? ये लाउड है अभी, राइट? और यहाँ पे लेके गए तो ओके, ये लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट? शिट. Okay, now shit is going to get. Oh shit, man. Oh God. अभी बकचोदी चालू हो गई है. इसको क्या चाहिए? इसको बैड स्मेल नहीं पसंद, राइट? इसको गाने से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसको गाने से प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, so how about you put you here, put you here, put you here. नहीं, तू यहाँ. अरे replace this guy, man. I can't sleep because these guys are talking. Fuck. Okay, ये दोनों को शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. You know what I mean? Okay. You go here, you go here, you come here. Oh God. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट, थोड़ी सी इश्यूज हो गए थे, but you know what? We are good. We are hanging in there like an hanging garden. I should have met that actor when I had the chance. I never thought a shape like me could make it in show business. Never doubt yourself. That is the issue. Moving on. Say, do you think this group takes requests? Maybe, I don't know if they'll take yours. I see. Well, you can't expect a riffraff to share my refined taste. What? They don't get many requests for post-modern neo-avant-garde indie wave. What the fuck is that? ये कौन से words है? मेरे पूरे मुंह की पूरी tongue twist कर दी इन्होंने. Neo-avant-garde indie wave. Say that 3 times fast. Neo-avant-garde indie wave. Neo-avant-garde indie wave. Neo-avant-garde indie wave. Neo-avant-garde indie wave. I almost said the word, but I'm okay. They don't get many requests for postmodern neo-avant. Pearls before swine. No idea what they're talking about, but you know what? We don't care. I want to dance. Bro, you are on my... I want to move my body. The hell? Where are you going to move your body, brother? Okay, so we need to... I am in the band. Okay, wait. I think हम लोगों को म्यूजिक प्ले करना पड़ेगा तभी we are going to I do not like strong odors. Okay, the strong smelly person कौन है यहाँ पे? I am in the band. Okay, I am in the band. Okay, see, I knew it. ये तीनों को रखने के बाद they are going to start dancing. I want to be with Alexis. I do not want to dance. Oh shit. Okay, so you here and you here. Okay, उसको सिर्फ रहना है उसके साथ. I thought he wanted to dance. I want to dance. बेचारे को गलत लग रहा है मुझे ऐसे इतना दूर कोने में रखने को. You know what? We'll keep you here. Okay, so the level is done. Confirm. I like it. I like this setup. Okay. The moment I feared, more people have gathered, and we are going to make them dance together. Okay. But some of them don't like to be around each other. Some of them are fucking some of them are smelly, who have not showered for days. So let's figure this out on my own. I'm wearing too much cologne. Okay, here we go. I can't breathe. और तू यहाँ पे भी breathe नहीं कर सकता. Why not just go and f off? Come on, bro. I'm wearing too much cologne. My back hurts. Okay, I want to sit. You can sit here. I want to be near the speaker. Okay, so that could be a setup. I want to be near a speaker. I do not want to dance. So you guys can sit here together. Okay, one big happy family. अगर कोई भी अभी ये पक्का एक आएगा जिसको डांस करना है. Pakka. I hate managing people. Hey Nat, remember that actor that looked like you? Who? Kaju Katli? How could I forget? I should have had the guts to speak to them. Don't stress about it. A rhombus like me doing my dream job. I have so many questions for them. Well, I pulled some strings and I found out they are filming in Brussels. Brussels, huh? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Maybe it's finally time for me to take a chance. I believe in you. Follow your dream. Thank you, Alexis. I will. Follow your dream. Good little message. A very good little message they put in. उसके बारे में I was complaining कि bro please. Okay, so ये dancers है जो groove कर रहे हैं ना. I do not want to dance. Okay, I was wrong. I want to dance. I cannot stand loud music. Okay, so अगर मैं तुझे यहाँ रख दूँ, okay, then you're gonna get. Okay, gotcha. I want to dance. Good. See, ऐसे लोग चाहिए जो they don't complain. They just do their thing. तो यहाँ पे लोग हैं भाई, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कलोन का स्मेल नहीं, मुझे गंदी स्मेल नहीं। आई एम वेयरिंग टू मच कलोन एंड आई वांट टू सिट। ओके, आई डोंट थिंक इन लोगों को ये बॉदर कर रहा है वो। आई वांट टू डांस, आई कैन नॉट स्टैंड लाउड म्यूजिक। आई एम ओके, काफी कम। ओह गॉड। ओके, कलोन पहनने वाला कौन है? ये एक है और आई गेस ये एक है, राइट? सो मे बी वी कैन पुट यू बोथ हियर एंड यू कैन कम हियर। दैट्स easy, bro. Big brain like me is going to have an easy effect on these levels. Confirm. A tour of Barcelona, another level cool. Unlock Barcelona, a typical level. What happened? What? Okay, so हमारी बार्सिलोना की लेवल हो गई. So there are different types of cities that we can do. Oh, that's kind of exciting. थोड़ा exciting है ये. I like it. So बार्सिलोना हो गई. What is next? New city. Okay, so ये हम लोगों ने किया. Oh, okay. I was like कि यहाँ जाना है हम लोगों को. Next is Bruxelles. कितने difficult pronunciations है man. Like can you please put some simple words for a simple guy like me? Okay. So next level I think I'm going to do in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video of Is This Seat Taken? अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा then let me know in the comments and however you want to. So I will be uploading more. I enjoy the game. It's very cozy. The vibe is very nice. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.